N1 into N1 plus 1 divided by 2 minus sigma R1. Achha, if I show you the formula, can you see? Do you see? Just this one is the formula where my finger is there. Do you see?
No, sir. No, sir. We don't see.
Achha.
Sir, which
Okay.
book is this?
Eh?
Sir, which book?
No, book. This is the book for this IGNU book. I am using IGNU book. Now you write U equal to N1 N2 capital N1 N2 plus bracket N1, then another bracket N1 plus 1, bracket ends, divided by 2 minus sigma R1. This is now we have scores about two teams, two different team A and team B. They have scores in 12 matches. Do you get my point? Team A has played 12 matches and team B has also played 12 matches. Their scores in each of the match is given below. You have to find out whether team A is a better team or team B is a better team. How to find out? I am telling you the scores of team A. You write down the scores, just one below the other. Scores you write. 72. Do you listen to me?
Yes, sir.
And the team A score 72, 67, ତଳକୁ ତଳ ଲେଖିବ, ତଳକୁ ତଳ, 67, 87, 46, 58, 63, 84, 53, 62, 77, 82, 89. Do you get 12 scores? 12 score pailo na nahi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then go to team B. मझिरे टिके गैप रखिबो जो रैंकिंग कराहब ता टिके छाड़ी करी टीम बी द स्कोर राइट डाउन स्कोर 97, 76, 83, 69, 56, 68, 92, 88, 74, 73.
Sir, what was after 92?
92, after 92 it is 88.
Okay, sir. Then?
74. Then 73. Then 65. Then 54. Then 43. See whether it is that those are 12 scores or not. Just confirm.
No, sir. It's 13.
13.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's 13. I'm sorry. You can also compute U test when the N are unequal. That is no problem. Now it is 13, 12. Yes. Sorry. I thought it is 12. It is 13. Now you come to know that you can compute T test when there is the unequal F. Similarly, you can also compute T test when there is unequal N. And group A has 12 matches and group B has played 13 matches. Now what you have to do? You put
Sir,
rank
combined
one,
ranking.
Combined ranking from lower value.
Ascend, ascending,
Combined
in ascending order.
ascending order from lower value. And R1, R2, you find out, all of you quickly rank both the
Okay, sir.
R1 and R2. R1 for team 1 and R2 for team 2. But it will be combinedly ranked. The lowest score here in this case it is 43 and it will get 1. Then continue. All of you continue and rank. When you complete the rank, you tell me. Jyoti, are you doing this problem, this man with new test? You continue ranking both the scores, both the team scores of both the teams combinedly. For team 1, you write R1, and for team 2, you write R2. And if you want to see the format, you just see it here. The format, if it is visible to you, you see where R1 is written and where R2 is written. You do it like that. And I will check whether your ranking is right or not. Quick ranking. Ranking will be from lowest score as 1 and then ascendingly it will continue.
Sir, done.
Done. Anybody not?
Yes, sir.
Let others also confirm. Now, you add the ranks of R1 and similarly also rank of R2. Add the ranks to find out sigma R1 and sigma
So
R2.
submission R1 is equals to 148 and submission R2 equals to 177.
177. Yes, this is the right answer. R1 is 148 and R2, sigma R2 is 177. Now, you find out, using the formula you find out.
So dita baharibo ki U gote or U dash gote?
U gote or U dash. You find out U dash.
Huh?
First you find out U. U re sigma R1 फेड़ा जीवो. दीटा को formula समान. गोटा करे sigma R1 फेड़ा जीवो. आ गोटा करे sigma R2 फेड़ा जीवो. जेहेतु इथि R N दीटा को अलगा अछि. तमे you find out the formula.
Okay. Sir,
Should I show you the formula again? So, do you see the formula you see? Here is the formula.
Sir, हमको टेबल टा दिखाओ चे.
नहीं टेबल नहीं formula है.
Sir, I'll call you. It's not visible. Sir, N1, N1, U is equals to N1 into N2 plus N1 into N1 plus 1 divided by 2 minus summation R1.
That is the thing. And in the next formula, it will be N2 into N2 plus 1.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now you find out the U so that I can be confirmed whether your formula is right or not. Let me tell you, U will be 12 into 13 first, N1, N2 plus 12 into 12 plus 1 by 2 whole minus 148. You find out the u. If your u will be correct, then your formula must be correct. You find out the u. These are the questions for you in the examination. Therefore, be sure that you calculate things rightly. Today we will be learning about test, chi-square test, and whatever else is left. Cortical valve. Three things we will be doing. What is the u that you found? Anybody? Calculator pakhre rakhi dio so that it will be easier. U kete hela? Jyotirmay, are you doing it? Are you calculating?
The sigma summation of R for group B is 144. Am I right?
Group B, no. 148, group 1, 177, group B.
Sir, U
Okay,
is
sir.
equal to 86. U is equal to 86.
U is equal to 86, right? Then calculate U dash. U dash is जो मानक पाखरे बही अच्छी से माने 26 पेज को रेफर करि परिबो जो मानक पाखरे इग्नू बही अच्छी 4 यूनिट 4 इग्नू बुक यूनिट 4 26 पेज they can refer.
So U for B, U for group A is for 86.
U dash is 86, right? U dash is
Okay, sir.
U dash is 64.
no. What is your rank 2? 177.
Yes, sir.
177 means you have done something wrong. 12 into 13 plus 13 into 13 plus 1 by 2
Minus 177.
minus
Which is equal
177.
to 156 plus 170 divided by 2.
156 plus 91.
91.
13 into 13 by plus 1 by 2 is 91. Thirteen into 13, 196. 13 into 13, 169 plus 1. Sorry, 13 into 14, sorry. 13 into 14 by 2. That becomes 91. 156 plus 91 minus 177. Here it has been In the book, it is some mistake there. Sorry, के साथ है, साथ सुनना ही ठीक है. It is 70.
70, sir.
Yes, sir.
74.
It's 70.
It is
70.
No,
70.
sir. It's 70.
No, sir, 70.
Yes, sir.
No, 156 plus 91 minus 177. Yeah, it is
Yes,
so.
sir.
Yes, sir.
70.
It's
Yes, sir.
70.
Yes,
Eh?
sir.
156 plus 91 is 247, and minus 177 it's 70.
70. Answer is 70.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Now you got the two U values.
Yes, sir.
And the smaller
The
U
smaller
value,
one is B
small,
group 70.
the smaller one is U dash and that is 70. And it is to be considered for obtaining the significance of the U value. The value which is smaller is to be taken for consideration for testing the significance. And your smaller value is 70. Now, you have to look for the table, U table. And in the U table, you will find in the row there is one number, and in the column there is another number, serially progressive. And if you see that, you will see 13 in the row and 12 in the column, because you have N1 12 and N2 13. Row re 13 देखिकरी column re 12 देखिले, you will reach a value, and this is your critical value. बुझपाते ना नहीं, table
38, 34. Upper limit 38 and lower limit 34.
upper limit is 38 on what you see. Like table value, how to check the table value? Table value means N1 is 12 and N2 is 13. In the table you will find that is one side, and in the row side it is N1 and in the column side it is N2. And you will reach the cross point where you will get the critical value, N1, N2 cross points. And your critical value at the 0.5 level is 41. Table, if you look at the table, you will find that the critical value for n is equal to n1 is equal to 12 and n2 is equal to 13 is 41. Means table value at a 0.05 level is 41. And your minimum value is how much?
70.
70.
So I can't understand.
Your value is 70, table value is 41. In all of the
So we have to add two values, upper limit values and lower limit value.
no. It's not like that. It is already there in the table. You have to find out in the table. What upper limit, lower limit, what do you mean by that? You will get a table where N1 and N2 reported the critical value in the table. One for 0.05, one for 0.01. And you consider the 0.05 value. If you look at the table, you will find that the critical value of U with N1 12 and N2 13 is 41. Table value 41, and your lowest value is 70. Now the question is whether it is significant or not significant. Your value is more than the table value. Table value is 41.
Value 35 and 31 ବାହାରୁଛି.
41 table ଧରୁଛି. ନାଇଁ ତମେ ଟେବୁଲ ଦେଖିଛ, ତମେ ଟେବୁଲ ଦେଖିଲ?
Yes, sir.
କେତେ ବାହାରିଲା?
Sir, 38 and 30. Sorry, 35 and 31.
ହଁ 35 ହେଲେ 01 ପାଇଁ.
Yes, sir.
35 ହେଲେ 01 ପାଇଁ. 41 ହେଲା 05 ପାଇଁ.
Sir, 35 ଆଉ 31.
So it is significant.
35 and 41 ତ?
Sir, 35 and 31. 31.
35 and 31.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा मुझे एथिरे देइछि एक्चुअली जो रेफरेंस रे देइछि ए बहिरे 41 लिखिछि लेट अस further check anyway I mean we will get a critical value and now let us suppose your critical value is 35. Critical value will be seen in the table.
Sir, it is significant.
No,
So P
that is
value
what
is
is the
greater.
problem.
So P value is
Yes,
greater
yes.
than the table value. The result is insignificant. It's an error.
Now that in all other cases when your obtained value is greater than table value it is significant, but only in the Mann-Whitney you test the reverse is true. In all other cases of statistics, when your obtained value is greater than the table value, it is significant. But in Mann-Whitney you test, the case is just the reverse. If your value is larger than the table value, it is insignificant. Do you get my point? Sabu statistics re tamo obtained value jodi adhika hala, it is significant and research hypothesis, the alternative hypothesis is accepted. But in case of Mann-Whitney you test, if your U value, lowest U value, lower U value is higher than the table value, then it is insignificant. गोटे जिनस मन रख Mann-Whitney U test रे evaluation of the hypothesis is just the reverse. तेणु तमर एठी insignificant हला. Do you get the point?
Yes,
ये
sir.
Yes, sir.
मन रखिता अन्य सबुठी टेबल वैल्यू अधिका हेले मु काली तुमको कहिछि टेबल वैल्यू अधिका हेले सिग्निफिकेंट हबो
Yes,
किंतु
sir.
ई जगह रे टेबल वैल्यू यू टेस्ट में टेबल वैल्यू अधिका हेले इनसिग्निफिकेंट means your u value is insignificant. Which hypothesis will be accepted?
Null hypothesis.
Null hypothesis. That means team A and team B, they are
Equal in
Not
value.
different.
they are not different in ability. They play almost equally. Equal players, not different. Some team is good, some team is bad. They are all similar teams. Achha. Do you think that things are clear for you? Any problem if it comes about
Yes, sir.
Mann-Whitney, you will be able to do that. Hello. Now, another way of evaluating the Mann-Whitney U test is by finding out the Z score. जे पर्यंत the sample size is less than 20 in each group, we call it the small sample group. When the sample size is more than 20 in a group or in both the groups, we call it a large sample size U test. And in large sample size U test, you can check by, when we say that sample size is more than 20, it is assumed that the distribution of the group is normal. There we can test the Mann-Whitney U value by a standardized score called Z score. And what is the Z score? Z score is U minus, एटा देखि दबो बही रे फार्मूला सब अछि जो मानक पाखरे बही अछि एटा 27 पेज रे अछि. You can find out the Z score for your U, and if the Z score is above 1.96, then it is significant. If the Z score is below 1.96, it is not significant. And Z score formula is, should I tell you the Z score formula, or you can check it from the book?
So you tell us.
अच्छा ना मु देखै देले देखा जिवो कि तुमको एट देखो Z गोटे लिखा हिची Z स्कोर फार्मूला देखा
No,
जो.
sir, it's not visible.
अच्छा हो Z स्कोर लिखो Z is equal to
Yes, sir.
U minus N1, N2, U minus N1, N2 by 2. Then whole divided by N1, N2 into N1 plus N2 plus 1 by 12 root over of this part. A part root over.
So by 12 in which part? 1 by 12 or N1 plus N2 plus 1?
N1 plus N2 plus 1 by 12 whole. Bracket ভিতরে রইব N1 plus N2 plus 1 by 12. A total term root over.
Total means the lower part or both the part?
Both the part. N1 plus N2 plus 1 by 12 is samudaya root over. Total root. That is to be multiplied by N1 and N2. And this whole part will be there in the denominator. And in the numerator, it is U minus N1 and N2 by 2. You calculate by taking 70 as your you calculate, and I will tell you whether it is right or wrong. You calculate 70 minus, I am telling you, 70 minus 12 into 13 by 2. 70 minus 12 into 13 whole by 2. कहते हैं ये पार्ट का 12 into 13.
Sir, it's whole by 2 means it's 70 by 2.
So minus 43.
70 included. N1, N2, 12 into 13 means
156. So 156.
So 156. 70 minus 156.
78.
78.
So minus 43.
Minus 43 केमती हला 70 minus 78 which is equals to minus 8.
Minus 8.
43.
70 minus 146. No, 70 minus
146. Yes.
70.
86 divided by 2.
Minus 86. Minus 86 divided by 2. 11 into 13 is equals to 156. 70 minus 156 by 2 is equals to minus 43.
It's going to minus 43.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's minus 43.
Actually, this formula is so long. It is not possible to. Anyway, next part calculate. You calculate the next part. First part is the N1, N2 by 2. N1, N2 is 12 into 13. That's what study. The first part is minus 8. The first part is minus 8. Minus 8. And then calculate the second part. N1 plus N2. Now let us forget this. We will not be getting a large sample cases in the year, nothing more than 20 sample. Therefore, let us manage with a small sample and looking at the table. Because this calculation will put you into trouble now. Now next is, there is one thing also you need to know about computing man-Whitney U-test in SPSS. I think you will have to know, you will have to have some knowledge of SPSS. Did I teach you SPSS earlier?
Yes, sir.
I have completed your SPSS.
No, sir.
No.
You just started.
I have just started. Yes, I have not told you the programs. Now, in order to compute SPSS, the Mann-Whitney U test in SPSS, what are the things you have to do? Let me just tell you that. One, you know, open the SPSS file and then first choose analyze. And when you choose analyze, you will be shown a dialog box, and in that dialog box you will have to select the non-parametric tests. And in non-parametric test there are independent sample and correlated sample. You select independent sample, then highlight your text variable and click on the arrow to move into the text variable list box. Like that you continue. When I will be teaching the SPSS, I will be telling you. Now the thing is, are you ready to compute Mann-Whitney U? ତମର
Yes, sir.
homework ହେଲା ଯେ କୌଣସି ବହିରୁ any book, you find 3 Mann-Whitney U tests and practice it for your examination. Do you get my point?
Yes, sir.
3টা Mann-Whitney U test ଯେ କୌଣସି ବହିରୁ ଆଣିକିରି you do it and practice it for your examination. And by that I completed Mann-Whitney U test. Someone is calling. Now, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Vicky?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Not audible.
Sir, you are audible.
All पढ़े अच्छे. अच्छा, let me contact. Audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You. Yes, sir.
All पढ़े अच्छे disconnect ହେଇଯାଉଛି. अच्छा, now let us go to the next thing of your syllabus is chi-square test. Hello?
Okay, sir, we'll
Yes,
go
sir.
chi-square.
Mann-Whitney U is computation part is over. Mann-Whitney U. Any doubt about Mann-Whitney U? Anybody? Any doubt about Mann-Whitney U?
No, sir.
No. Now next is computation of chi-square. Chi-square formula is. Can anybody tell me chi-square formula? It's one
Sir,
formula for
FO. Yes, sir. Is FO minus FE whole square divided by FE.
sigma कुआडे गला?
The summation. Yes, sir. The sigma.
Sigma FO minus FE square by FE. This is the chi-square formula for any chi-square test. And chi-square test is a kind of test which are used for two purposes. It can help you to decide goodness of a fit of a distribution. Chi-square test ro kaam wala, it can help you in two ways. One, it helps you to test the goodness of a fit of a distribution, and also it helps you to find out the significance of group differences in terms of frequencies. Hela dita kamere tame chi-square ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିପାରିବ, significance in terms of frequency and goodness of fit. Significance in terms of frequency ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ use କରୁ, we call it contingency table. I will be telling you all these different kinds of chi-squares that you have to compute. But for all of them, formula is one, the same formula. What is goodness of fit test? supposing you went to a tribal school and tested the intelligence of 100 students, and you, no, intelligence is normal distributed, equally distributed. Let me ask you a question. Supposing in an examination there are 5 questions and 100 students were asked to answer any of those questions. Do you get my idea about this question? गोटे परीक्षा रे 105टा क्वेश्चन पड़ीची प्रति पिला को कहा गला ताकू जोटा भलो लागुची से करू हला एवं किए किए को क्वेश्चन कला से अनुसार फ्रीक्वेंसी दिया गला प्रथम क्वेश्चन लेख क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 Q1 13 दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन Q1 तो तले लेख 13 Q2 25 Q3 16 Q4 27 लिखुच ना नहीं हेलो
Yes, sir.
हाँ बर्तमान Q5 पे केते रहिला हिसाब
Yes, sir. लेखुची.
चारिटा मिसे देकरी 100 रु केते रहिला सेटा Q5 लिखि दियो केते रहिला मु चारिटा रे डाकी देली मु क्वेश्चन टा लिखिनी तेनु Q5 रे केते रहिला लिखि दियो 100 टोटल 100 जण पिला
So 19.
19 लिखि दियो. Now the question is, there are 5 questions set in an examination and students are, each student is supposed to answer one question, and this is about the preference. को क्वेश्चन केते पिला प्रिफर कले तार फ्रीक्वेंसी तले दिया गला. Now the question is, do students have equal preference for each of the question? पिला मानकर सब क्वेश्चन इक्वल प्रिफरेंस रहिला ना को क्वेश्चन पे अधिका प्रिफरेंस हे गला क्वेश्चन डिफिकल्टी एपर सेपट हे गला सेति पई तुमको काई स्क्वायर टेस्ट कले जानि परिबो बुझियला ना नहीं. दिस इज कॉल्ड टेस्ट ऑफ गुडनेस ऑफ इट. वर्तमान जदी अच्यूमिंग द क्वेश्चंस आर ऑफ इक्वल डिफिकल्टी ताले प्रति क्वेश्चन की केते जन पिला आंसर करि थांते. दिस इज द the data I have given the observed frequency FO मु देई देली. वर्तमान व्हाट इज ए
Yes, sir.
क्वेश्चन गुडा जदी समान डिफिकल्ट हे तांता 20 प्रति क्वेश्चन 20 आंसर करथांते नहीं कि
हाँ. Yes, sir.
तेनु FE is equal to 20 20 20 20 20 लिखि दि तातळे FO लिखि दियो ऊपरटा को जहां हम डाकिली FE लिखि दियो तळे 20 20 20 20 लिखि देलो.
Yes, sir.
बुझी हला तो
Yes.
now find out the chi-square. Have the formula FO minus FE square by FE sigma.
Sir, FO minus
FO minus FE square by FE sigma. Sigma FO minus FE square by FE. तमे सब गुडा करे FO पाइलो FE पाइलो सब FE है कोडी मते वर्तमान काई स्क्वायर वैल्यू को काई स्क्वायर वैल्यू पाइलो की
formula book रे available.
Formula FO minus FE square by FE. ଆଉ ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ଯାକ ମିଶିଯିବ ସିଗ୍ମା। ଫର୍ମୁଲା ତ ମୁଁ କହିଲି କାଲକୁଲେଟ କର ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ। ପ୍ରଥମଟା FO କେତେ? ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ର FO କେତେ?
13.
13 13.
Yes, sir.
13 minus 20 7 7 the square 49 49 by 20 क्या ହେଲା तार
2.45.
ସେମିତି ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ଆଗ ବାହାର କର ମିଶେଇବ
No, sir, 26.95.
total ହେଲା 26.95
Yes, sir.
your chi-square is 26.95
Yes, sir.
now what is your degree of freedom
DF is
N minus 1.
A minus 1.
n minus 1 n is
5
at
minus
n
1,
କେତେ
4. 5.
4 degree of freedom 4 degrees of freedom रे 0.5 रे required value ହେଲା 11.7 0.5 रे required value ହେଲା table value ହେଲା 11.07 କି ଦିଅ 0.5 ରେ 0.1 ରେ ହେଲା
So it's
15.1
significant.
ରେ ହେଲା 15.08 0.1 ରେ ହେଲା 15.08
Yes, sir.
significant ହେଲା ନା insignificant ହେଲା
Significant.
Yes, sir, it's significant.
significant କୋଉ level ରେ ହେଲା 0.5 ରେ ହେଲା ନା 0.1 ରେ ହେଲା
0.1.
0.1 ରେ କଣ ଲେଖିବ result P is
P is
Less
less than
P is less than 0.01 ହେଲା ତା ଅର୍ଥ what is the conclusion the null hypothesis accepted na research hypothesis accepted
research hypothesis is
Research
accepted.
hypothesis.
research hypothesis is accepted what is the conclusion
Research hypothesis is accepted with 0.1% of error.
but what is the research hypothesis here
So
ପାଞ୍ଚଟା
that would,
question
So that each question was not equally preferred by the students and they were different in the difficulty
each
level.
question is not equally preferred by the students students have differential preference for the questions and therefore the questions may be of different difficulty they are not similar hello this is called goodness of it anybody any further question about this
So for goodness of it, the data should be normally distributed, na?
ନା ନା equally distributed normal distributed ଦିଟା କହିପାରିବ ଏଇଟା ହେଲା data is equally distributed ଏଇଟା ଆମର normally distributed ନୁହେଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ when we check some data ମୁଁ କହିବି normally distributed ବିଷୟରେ କହିବି ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ equally distributed example ଦେଲି
so the
goodness of
Normally
it means
distributed हमें class.
normal distributed nahi normally distributed is also goodness of fit test
Yes, sir.
goodness of fit means whether a specific data set represents a specific kind of distribution ये जगह रे हमरो इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज आवर मॉडल जदि पांचटा क्वेश्चन दिया हिची पिला को कुहा जाई छी जे यू कैन आंसर एनी क्वेश्चन एनी वन क्वेश्चन देन द क्वेश्चंस मस्ट बी ऑफ इक्वल डिफिकल्टी दैट हैज टू बी आइडियली दैट हैज टू बी whether or not that we are checking similarly goodness of fit is also a kind of statistical process for checking the data which is normally distributed that is also goodness of fit both are goodness of fit कौन तुम्हारा प्रश्न कौन थे गुडनेस ऑफ फिट विषय रे तुम क्लास रे को आइतला गुडनेस ऑफ फिट होची केवल नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन
Yes, sir.
नहीं दीटा एनी गुडनेस ऑफ फिट व्हेन वी आर मेकिंग इट अच्छा तापर मु आको कंटीजेंसी टेबल कथा कहि दिए तापर मु तुमको ये करिबो हला
Sir, chi-square test ray, the data should be in nominal scale and ordinal scale.
data nominal scale converted into frequency. Question number 1, how many of them have done it? It's a nominal scale, ordinal scale नहीं.
No, sir. Sir, my basic question was, मैंने chi-square रे हमें जितने भी test करते हैं, all the data should be in nominal scale.
हाँ, data should be nominal scale पर chi-square test सब बड़े nominal scale data को ये करती nominal scale.
Yes, sir.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ question. Contingency table. Hala. The question is marriage a necessity? This question was asked to 50 boys and 70 girls. Is marriage a necessity? And the 3 choices are yes, doubtful, no. I am telling you about a question on contingency table. Yes, doubtful, no. And amongst boys, 25 said yes. Table karo, contingency table theory karo. Boys, girls, 50 boys, 25 said yes. 15 said no, doubtful. 10 says yes. No. 25 yes, 15 doubtful, 10 no.
Sir, is this the score of boys?
Boys frequency 25 जन कहले
Sir,
necessary,
25.
25, 15 and 10 हे गला 50.
15 is doubtful.
15 doubtful, no हला 10.
Okay, sir.
प्रथमे रख yes, तापर रख doubtful गला. तापर आसिला girls 25 yes, 25 doubtful, 20 no.
20 no.
हाँ.
Sir, केम दिरा 50 वा?
हैं?
15 girls, boys.
तमरो क्वेश्चन हैला 25 15 10
Scores for the boys.
बॉयज हैला 25 15 10 25 हैला यस 15 हैला डाउटफुल नो हैला 10 सेमती गर्ल्स हैला 25 25 20 यस डाउटफुल
Sir,
नो
how is it with 20?
Yes, sir.
गर्ल्स 70 गर्ल्स
There
are
are 50 boys.
गर्ल्स आर 70 बॉयज मु पर प्रथम रो
Okay,
कहती
sir.
गर्ल्स 70 गर्ल्स हैला
Yes, sir.
this is your FO. All these are your observed frequency FO. Now, how to calculate FE for each cell?
Sir,
FE
column total minus total.
row total into column total by grand total. Row total FE is equal to RT row total into column total by grand total. ହେଲା किए ना बुझी पारले एफी केमती कैलकुलेट करिया को हबो रो टोटल इनटू कॉलम टोटल बाय ग्रांड टोटल Your grand total is 120, 70 plus 50. Find out the FE for each cell. प्रति cell रो FE बाहर करो. प्रति cell रो FE बाहर करो. से cell रो row total, से cell रो column total गुणा है कि grand total रे हरा आबो. प्रथम cell रो प्रथम boys रो प्रथम टा केते?
Sir, 15 to 50.
50 into तार column total टा केते?
50.
50.
So 50 into 50 by
50.
120.
115 into 120 ना 150.
120.
हाँ,
So
120.
50 into 50 divided by 120. Yes, sir.
50 into 50 divided by 120. हेले
Yes, sir.
20.83.
लेखो ता पाखरे कॉर्नर रे लेखो एफओपी. शीघ्र बाहर करी मते को.
So 20.83 for boys. Yes.
सब नहीं 6 टा बाहर करबे ना all 6 cells.
So करे दिले.
Take your time, find out.
ठीक है.
Row total into column total by grand total. Anjani, are you doing?
Yes, sir.
You carry on quick.
20.83. 16.67.
Now you carry out and then FO minus FE square by FE. Find out the chi square.
Yes, sir.
You know the formula. Once you find out FO and FE, you find out the chi square.
2.5.
2.5. What is the chi-square value?
The 2.5.
Total, by adding all the 6 cells.
Yes, sir. I'm doing them.
Just I have given the question from now. What is the chi-square significant table value? What is the degrees of freedom in this case?
So 2 r minus 1 into 6.
Row minus 1 into column minus 1.
Yes, sir. 2.
2. Degrees of freedom 2 means you require 5.99 to be significant at 0.5. Is it significant or not?
5. So what is the table value?
5.99.
0.99.
5.99. 0.5. Is it significant?
P value is smaller. No, sir.
Not significant. Not significant means what will be your conclusion?
So the null hypothesis is rejected.
Hypothesis. What is rejected?
The null hypothesis.
Not significant mane null hypothesis is accepted. Research hypothesis
It is not significant. Null hypothesis is accepted.
What is the null hypothesis here? Ethi null hypothesis kona?
So that the opinion of boys and girls whether marriage is necessity or not is not different and same. The opinions do not differ.
Boys and girls believe similar marriage in similar terms, whatever it means. Achha.
Yes, sir.
Now, the next thing that we have to discuss about is the chi-square test of goodness of fit of normal probability curve. But I think this is not something, this is very difficult to Next thing is Kroskal-Wallis. Next thing is Kroskal-Wallis test. Do you have any idea about Kroskal-Wallis test?
No, sir.
Kroskal-Wallis H test.
Yes, sir.
Kroskal-Wallis H is a parallel test of one-way ANOVA. In one-way ANOVA, what we do, what we try to find out, whether there are differences in more than two groups. When we study the differences between two groups, we use T test. But when it is more than two groups, we use Kroskal-Wallis H test. It is also a similar test of analysis of variance, but it's a non-parametric parallel. Achha, you try to find out. I will be giving you a question. 12 participants. I am reading out the question. 12 participants. A small question means that it will be very easy. You listen. 12 participants were divided into 3 groups of 4 each. They were subjected to 3 different conditions. 12 participants, 3 group of 4 each. 4 janare group kar diya gala. And they were given under 3 conditions: low noise, average noise, loud noise. Tanku 3 noise condition re performance kariya pai kuha gala, mathematical performance. Ebo kahar kon error hela, I am giving you the conditions and their error. Condition A, एरर हला 3563 लेख कंडीशन ए बा सी ए बोली खाली लिखि दियो सी ए इज लो नॉइज 3563 they committed this much of error. Condition B 2798 and condition C 108711 108711. Do you get the question, Anjani?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
3 conditions. In each condition there are 4 students. First condition is low noise condition, second condition is average noise condition, third condition is loud noise condition, and the errors in their performance are given. Now you are supposed to errors are in here, the errors are in a kind of nominal scale. No, it's a kind of interval scale, but you are asked to carry out Kroskal-Wallis H test. What you have to do here, also you will have to go for combined ranking. Combined
Please
ranking.
repeat the error.
While carrying out Kroskal-Wallis H test, you will have to go for combined ranking of all the 3 groups. That is also there, combined ranking from the lower end, like that of man with new. Lowest score will get 1. You do the combined ranking first. बुझेला ना नहीं? चारिटा को ग्रुप combined ranking हबो, 1 रु lowest score रु आरंभ हबो एवं जोटी repeated ranking थिबो सेठी तमे केमति ranking करिवो मते पचार जदि न जानि पारुछ.
Sir, may I know the question?
क्वेश्चन हला मु 12 जण
Sir, you sir खाली स्कोर टा कोंतु माने
ओहो अच्छा स्कोर टा कंडीशन ए रो स्कोर हला 3563 तळकु तळ 3563. कंडीशन बी
Okay,
हला
then.
कंडीशन बी हला 2798. कंडीशन सी हला 108711 108711.
Sir, D.
डी नहीं तीनटा तो
Condition D.
कंडीशन डी नहीं तीनटा कंडीशन प्रति कंडीशन रे 4 जन लखे 12 जन.
Okay.
3 कंडीशंस. बर्तमान ऑल 3 कंडीशन रो रैंक करो अलगा अलगा माने जॉइंट रैंकिंग. मु रैंकिंग टेबल टा देखे दउ तुमको देखो केमती रैंकिंग टेबल रही छी. प्रथम 4 तापर तार रैंक R1 4 तापर रैंक देखा जाउची एटा जेमती रैंकिंग करथिलो मानहुतनी यूरे सेमती रैंकिंग हबो. सेठी दीटा थिला एठी तीनटा.
सर कंबाइंड रैंकिंग केमती हबो?
कंबाइंड रैंकिंग देखो प्रथम स्मॉलेस्ट स्कोर तीनटा ग्रुप रे किए कंबाइंड रैंकिंग पूरा मानहुतनी यूरे कलो. हैं
2
Sir,
2
2.
तेनु 2 रो रैंकिंग रे 1 दियो 2 साइड रे सेटा माने ग्रुप 2 रो ता 2 टा 1 रैंकिंग करो 1. तापरे नेक्स्ट स्कोर टा केते
3
3 केतेटा अछि
दीटा
तेनु तमरो रैंक 1 पळेला और होइला 2 और 3 2 3 मिसै दे कि 2 रहले 2.5 2.5. तेनु 3 जो दीटा अछि दीटा को 2.5 रैंकिंग हबो.
Yes, sir.
तापरे नेक्स्ट कोन
So 5.
5 2 3 पळैछि तेनु 5 रो रैंक केते हबो
4.
हाँ 4 rank 2 3 has been exhausted तेणु 5 रे rank हबो 4 तापरे next rank
6. 6.
6
So 6 ର ranking ହେବ 5.
हाँ 6 कोठी मु देखि परनी हाँ 6 रे ranking हे जो 5 तापरे
So then तापरे दीटा 7 अछि.
हाँ कोन ranking हबो
तो 6 plus 7 divided by 2.
हाँ 6.5 6.5
13 divided 6.5. So
6 रे ranking
तापरे दीटा 8.
हाँ 6 7 पळैछि तेणु 8 9
So summation of rank 1 is 14.5, rank 2 is 25, and rank 3 is 37.
माने फर्स्ट ग्रुप रो रैंक केते हला रैंक 1 समेशन केते हला ग्रुप ए कंडीशन ए रो रैंकिंग समेशन के
Yes sir.
केते केते
8 9
Hello.
सिग्मा सिग्मा जो रैंक T1 कंडीशन 1 रो सिग्मा रैंकिंग केते हला नहीं बोले
Sir
जी कोठी
14.5.
इट इज 14 कांदुई साचरे गादु
6.5
No sir, 7 is there, so says 5.5.
2.5 4 5 2.5 ये तो रैंकिंग 14
ना
हबो
सर 2.5 नहीं, 2 3 4 5.5 हबो.
काई म
7 होगा
तमे परा कहिलो 2.5
Sir
2.5
3 5
सुनो
7 sir scores the 3 5
नहीं नहीं स्कोर कौन अच्छे 3 5 6 3 तो
6 7.
नहीं 3 5 6 3 मुंडा किछि 3 5 6 3
Okay sir. ताले मोर पूरा भूल ही जाई छी.
हां भूल
So
कर
the first rank R1 is
आउट
14.
स्कोर चेक कर दियो 3 5 6 3 प्रथमटा
तो
सेकंड
सेटा 7 अछि हां.
सेकंड टा हला 2 7 9 8
Yes sir.
थर्ड टा हला
10 8 7 11.
हां
तो एटा जो 3 टा 7 ही जाई छी मोर.
हां हे गला तो भूल ही रैंकिंग करी शीघ्र बात कर
So R1 is equals to 14. R2 is 26 and R3 is 38.
राइट ठीक अछि वर्तमान यू अप्लाई द फार्मूला टू फाइंड आउट द
Sir, here the n will be 12 or 4.
n will be 12
So but in r square divided by n, that will be 4.
हाँ
Small n.
हाँ स्मॉल n दीता n बार नहीं n is 4 the formula n is 4 not 12 sorry ମୁଁ ଭୁଲ ରେ କହିଦେଲି
No sir. Sir, it is bord n achi. 12 divided by n into n plus 1. That will be for 12.
କୋଉଥିରେ ଦେଖିଲା ଫର୍ମୁଲା
Capital.
नहीं क्रॉसकल वालिस रे 12 होची तार फॉर्मूला रे देयर इज नथिंग
Yes
अबाउट
sir. 12 divided by Yes sir. 12 divided by n into n plus 1.
हां 12 डिवाइडेड बाय
That n will be 12.
हां दैट n विल बी 12
Yes sir. That is what is I am telling.
So can you
now you try
write a formula? So formula.
फॉर्मूला तो एते बड़ के मते बाकी हबो नहीं तो देखैबी बोली भाबुची क्रॉसकल वाली तमे क्रॉसकल वाली फॉर्मूला का नेट रे बाहर कर परबोनी
Sir, can I say the formula?
Yes, you can say.
12 divided by capital N into n plus 1. N plus 1 will be in bracket.
ତମେ ଏ ଫର୍ମୁଲାଟା କୋଉଠୁ କହୁଛ, କୋଉ ଜାଗାରୁ କହୁଛ?
Sir, you told me the formula.
ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Then r square r1 square divided by n plus r2 square divided by n plus r3 square divided by n. Then minus 3 n plus 1. That will be capital N.
କେତେ ବାହାରିଲା H?
So just a minute.
It's 114. It's
38.72.
38.72, ନାଇଁ ତ?
No, sir, it's 6.3.
ଆଚ୍ଛା, some error is there.
6.3.
ଏଠି calculation ରେ ବାହାରୁଛି 5.537. But I don't know
No,
whether
sir,
that
it's
is there may be mistake in the book. I have not checked the calculation. Anyway, that will come. 6.6 kete taro table value is required table
6.3,
value
sir.
6.3. Acha, anyway. The required table value is 5.692. Is 5.692 critical value. 05
So,
5.692. Then whether it is significant or not significant?
no, sir, it's not significant.
Not significant. Means what are the three conditions? That the answer is that whatever the noise condition may be, students' performance is not affected. Nike. Research hypothesis,
Yes, sir.
null hypothesis is accepted. Whatever may be the condition, the noise condition, the performance of student is not going to be affected. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Any question? This is the last class, and any question you want to ask, or else we will close up. Thanking you all.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have something from CP, Cognitive Psychology.
To ask something from cognitive psychology.
Yes, sir.
Ask.
Sir, there is a concept of Geon theory.
Concept of?
That is geometrical Geon theory. That is geometrical ions for perception.
Acha.
So, sir, in some books, the Geon theory is reflected in template matching. Or I have some other books like Robbins or Gallotti books. They have written that the geon theory is concept for uh,
Tell me. Concept for?
so that word I some other like they are not mentioning about template matching. They have
No,
some
no,
other
no, no.
kind of.
Template
Yes, sir.
matching. Listen to me. Template matching is one of the task. Is one kind of task to
Yes, sir.
estimate the perceptual uh, uh, concept concept we call it concept attribution, concept management. Template
Yes, sir.
matching is one kind of task by which we can estimate the template perceptual clarity of a group of subject. Template matching is not James theory. Template matching is a task to prove James theory.
No,
James
sir.
theory.
Geon theory is a different concept. Like some telling that geon theory is helping us in helping us in identifying our template matching, or some other telling that template matching is used for like top down or bottom up theory, systematic desensitization. So I
Gion's theory is not about only template matching. Gion's theory is a theory explaining the perceptual skill, a specific kind of a perceptual skill of a person. Generally, reasoning is a kind of skill, and we
yes, sir.
try out different kinds of tasks to measure the reasoning, mathematical reasoning.
Okay, sir.
बुझते ना नहीं Gion's theory is a kind of theory which explains the perceptual skill of a learner, of a person, perceptual, one specific type of perceptual skill, and that can be measured whether someone is having that skill or not. That can be measured by template matching. Template matching is one kind of task for supporting GM theory. It's a kind of experiment to prove yes, GM theory is right. ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ
Yes, sir.
ସ୍କିଲ୍ କୁ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲେନ କରୁଛି, ସେ ସ୍କିଲ୍ ଟାକୁ ପ୍ରମାଣ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ହେଲେ ଆମକୁ ଟେମ୍ପଲେଟ ମ୍ୟାଚିଂ କରିକିରି ଆମେ ଦେଖେଇ ପାରିବୁ ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ହାଉ वी आर प्रूविंग अबाउट जीएमसी. It is an application. You can say that template matching is an application of Gion's theory. Gion's theory is a model, conceptual model.
Okay, sir. No, sir. Some in some books,
in
so
some
in
way,
some books, they emphasize that the canonic perspective. In canonic perspective, template matching is used. Sorry, in canonic perspective, geon theory is used. But in some books, they have been written that template matching, geon theory is used. So, sir, geon theory is basically used for which purpose? For canonic perspectives or for template matching?
no, it's for both. It's a very higher order perceptual skill which can be used for both purposes. ମୁଁ supposing ପଚାରିବି what is reasoning used for? What is reasoning used for? Is it only used for mathematical analysis or linguistic analysis? What
No,
do you
sir.
say? Reasoning,
It's for both.
it's for both. When a higher order skill is used, it can be used for in several similar equivalent conditions.
Yes, sir.
Reasoning generally,
So
GM
it's a
theory
universal. So it's a universal phenomena that we can use anywhere.
no, not anywhere. We can use for some specific kind of situational skills, not for any kind of skills. GM's theory is not required for making simple additions. GM's theory is saying about a higher order mental processing, perceptual processing, and that our perceptual processing are relevant to different kinds of situations. ଯେମିତି ମୁଁ ତମକୁ କହିଲି reasoning is a higher order mental processing that can be used. If you say that reasoning is only used in mathematical concepts, no, it's not that. Even in linguistic concepts, those who are writing novels, short stories, they are also using the reasoning skills. So reasoning, although reasoning is a mathematically based skill or logically based skill, but it can be used in several situations. Geomes theory is also promoting a very higher order specific skill, which is used for template matching. Template matching is the source where you can understand that this is how geomes theory operates. This is an experimental, practical approach, practical evidence to show the evidence of geomes theory. We will be discussing it.
Okay, sir.
Now,
Thank you, sir.
now, thanks to all of you for supporting me in this class. And I know you are all my favorite. We will be meeting very soon. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Have a good day, sir. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.